Hello, good morning guys. So nandito naman po tayo sa Asia Homeworks. Then excited po kami ngayon na i-share sa inyo itong video na ito. So ito pong video na ito is requested by Mama Nelia Davidson ng Phase I, Barangay Giho, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So shoutout sa iyo ma'am and thank you very much po at kami na pagkatiwalaan nyo para mag-repair po ng corner set ninyo. The same time guys, dito sa video na ito, ituturo namin sa inyo yung step by step paano ba namin na-repair yung sopa ni ma'am and hope na makatulong po especially dun sa mga gustong mag-repair ng ganitong klase ng sopa. So, before we start guys, so please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and pahit na rin po yung notification bell. And then, please support our FB page, Hayesia Upholstery Shop and Hayesia Business Hub para mas updated ka po sa mga bagong ginagawa natin dito sa Asia Homeworks. Again, thank you and see you soon. Hello guys, so ito yung bago nating project. So hello guys, so ito yung bago nating project ngayon, yung corner set ni Ma'am Nelia. So ayan. Then obviously guys, papalitan natin dito is yung cover. Then as usual dito sa Asia Homeworks, so dino-double check natin yung laman o internal ng sopa para may idea po yung mga customers natin. Ano ba yung dating laman ng kanilang sopa. So okay guys, so tapusin natin to ngayon and hope na magustuhan ni Ma'am Nelia yung ating gagawing restoration o repair dun sa kanyang corner set. So okay guys, so tara, let's go! So yun guys, after natin mabaklas yung corner set ni Ma'am Delia, so same ginagawa natin dito sa Asia Homeworks is chine-check natin yung internal ng sopa. So para sa ganun may idea yung mga customers natin, so ano ba yung itsura ng loob ng sopa. So okay guys, so first check. So ito po yung stool. So yan. I-check natin yung stool guys. Same yung cover is velvet. Yan. Then ito yung sa backing niya guys. Then brown na velvet din. Then pagdating sa foam guys, so two types ng foam to. Pero pare siyang S1 foam. So sa commercial ito yung murang klase ng foam guys. So ayan, kaya napansin nyo talagang sobrang nipis na niya. Then yan guys. So ito yung stool. So sa stool guys, unang-una napansin natin dito walang nosag clip. So pag walang nosag clip guys, normally talaga maingit o matunog yung mismong yung nosag. Then wala rin po siyang rubber strap. So nakalagay lang sa kanya is yung ganitong tela guys. Yun lang yung nag-support sa kanya. So yan guys, dahil walang nosag clip guys, so may tendency nawala sa alignment yung nosag. So yan yung problem. Sa wood naman guys, dito sa stool nya, okay pa naman yung wood guys. Wala naman tayong nakita na damage. All good pa. Yun, papalitan lang natin to guys. Lalagyan natin ng nosag clip. And then ito yung pa corner type nya na upuan. So yan. Sa cover, same din guys. Velvet cover na may beige and brown color. So yan na. So dito tatlong klase ng foam na guys yung nakalagay. Urethane, and then yan, may orange foam, then S1. So ayan, manipis na talaga siya. Then sa sandalan guys, ganun din. So talagang sobrang nipis ng foam. So ganito siya dati guys, pero ngayon ganito na siya. Ayan. Yan yung pagkakaiba guys kapag S1 foam yung ginamit. From uno, nagiging mas manipis pa sa media guys. Ayan, wala na siyang bounce. So ayan. And then yung ganito guys, kapag may design, common talaga yan. Nahati talaga yan. Okay. Next, pagdating naman po sa frame, sa wood, tingin ko guys okay pa naman to. Pero yung napansin ko lang dito guys, kahit isa wala ako napansin na rubber strap, no? So ito po yung rubber strap guys, yan. So ito yun. So ito yung nagpapatibay sa sopa guys. So ayan guys, tela lang talaga na tali yung linagay para hindi mawala sa alignment yung nosag. Pero ang problem guys ganito, kapag tela kasi yung linalagay, ganyan nangyayari sa nosag, kinakalawang. Then may tendency maputol kapag katagalan. So yan. And then same, walang nosag clip guys, kaya pansinin nyo kapag inuupuan guys, yan. Kapag walang nosag clip guys, ganyan talaga yung magiging tunog. So umiingit talaga siya. So yan po, pagka walang nosag tapos nawawala sa alignment yung mismong sopa. Then ayan po. So kung nakain na siya ng kalawang. So ito guys, kahit hindi nababasa kasi yan, since sa fabric yung linagay, so may tendency talaga walang suporta yung pinaka nosag. Walang tumutulong sa kanya para mag-hold ng pagbabounce. So may tendency talaga na magka-scratch siya or kaya mapuwersa masyado yung yung nosag. Kaya pansin nyo guys, nung inuupuan natin to, may mga tumutunog. So ayan, cause po yan dahil walang nosag clip na linagay. So ganun din po sa sandalan, wala po siyang rubber strap na kinabit. So kaya pansinin nyo, marami na siyang napatid. Kaya ang tendency po nun, yung mismong foam, so hindi na niya na hold. So na-push po siya ng ganon. So may tendency talaga na lumusot o masira. Then yung sako guys, yan. Yan yung per metro na sako guys. Yan. Kinabit. So yan guys, sa tingin ko naman dito, wala naman siyang nabali na frame sa mismong ano. The problem is, yun nga, kulang na kulang talaga sa rubber strap tsaka sa ano, sa nosag. Then guys, ito naman yung ano, yung mismong upuan, yung dalawa, yan. So nabaklas na rin natin. Then pakita ko sa inyo guys yung tela, yan, same ng tela na nakakabit guys. Then sa foam guys, kulay brown. Then yan, kulay brown na yan na fabric. Then yung foam same. Di ko lang alam bakit sobrang iba-ibang klase ng foam ang kinabit, no guys. So dito may dilaw, may orange tayo na nakikita. Then yan. So ito po nakaka dismaya lang kasi sobrang nipis talaga ng linagay na foam dito sa sandalan. Tapos walang rubber strap din na nakalagay. Yan, dalawang media. Sobrang nipis na niya. Then ito guys, dahil wala siyang nosag clip guys, so pansinin nyo lang yung mismong nosag niya. Yan, pumalipit siya. Then ito lang yung nakakaklam. Ayan, so umiingit din siya. Bakit umiingit? Kasi dahil yun nga, same no sinabi ko po, walang clip. Tapos dahil malaki yung pako na binaon guys, binaluktot. So ayan nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng crack yung mismong frame. Pero hindi pa naman siya talaga malala, as in mababali. So nadaplisan lang siya kaya nagkaroon ng crack. Pero re-repairin natin to guys, tatanggalin natin to. Then yan guys, belt lang na tali lang linagay. Ayan. Pagdating dito guys, yung ganito hindi talaga siya pang supa, yung ganitong tali, hindi talaga to linalagay sa supa. Kasi ito guys, wala naman siya nagiging tulong sa supa, kahit yung mismong nosag niya guys, hindi na siya pantay, balo-baluktot na. Although balo-baluktot naman talaga yung nosag, pero talaga nawawala na siya sa alignment Ayan So talagang mabilisan na galaw, o mabilisan na gawa yung ginawa. Ayan. So talagang marami tayong re-repairin pagdating dun sa mismong upuan niya guys. So ayan yung sandalan niya guys, walang nakalagay kahit na tali or parang ganito. So dito na tinipid na talaga, kahit tali hindi na nalagyan. Then ito naman yung isa guys, alisin natin. Ito naman guys, kanina kulay blue yung nakalagay, ngayon naman kulay yellow uli. So ayan, same din, manipis na foam yung nakakabit. So ayan, S1 foam. So yung sa range ng foam guys, ito yung pinakamura na foam na mabibili mo sa market ngayon. Ayan. So ayan, palitan natin. Then ito yung foam, same din po yung foam. Then yung sako. So ito, so yan guys, yung mga kinabit guys, yan yung mga retaso lang ng mga tali, ng mismong tela. So pansinin nyo dito, ibang tali. Ito ibang tali, and then ito ibang tali. So papanipis pa siya. So ito mas manipis pa siya Ito na yung problem guys Pansinin nyo yung nosag guys palipalipit na. So hindi na siya pantay-pantay. And then yung pinaka-frame niya guys, bumaluktot na siya. Ayan Hinilan na nung nosag yung frame dito tsaka dito. So nangyari, naging imbalance na Tsaka pansinin niyo guys ang tindi na ng ingit. So konti na lang to guys. Ayan nagliis na siya Tingnan natin. Yan guys So nagliis na siya. Yan. So yun guys, pumutok na rin dito dahil laki ng pako na linagay or yung clamp na linagay. Yung nail na hindi dapat para dito. So yan guys, konti na lang talaga to, talagang bibigay na, no. Ayan, may mga nakita na tayo na nahila na niya. Ayan. Tapos itong tali guys, talagang grabe yung linagay. So yan guys, so ayusin natin to. And hope na magustuhan ni Ma'am Nelia yung gawin nating restoration dun sa sopa niya. So ito nga pala ilalagay natin guys. Yan nosag, yan rubber strap guys. So ito talaga nilalagay sa sopa. So ayan, nakakabili nito. Yan ni Upholstery Supplies and Stores. Yan. Ang kabili po niyan. So sobrang kapal ng goma na yan guys. Yan yung interior ng gulong, ano. Kaya may pansin nyo, meron siyang nylon. So yan talaga, mahirap pati rin talaga yan. So yan guys, so yun ang gawin natin dito. Ayusin natin at patibayin natin yung supa na ay internal ng supa ni ma'am. So okay guys, so tara, let's go.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Yan. Full rubber strap na rin guys. Para sure talaga na matibay. And then yung stool, ganun din. Yan. So lahat guys, so matibay na. So mapapansin nyo guys, wala na siyang ingit. Yan. So kahit i-bounce mo yan guys, so sobrang tibay na talaga. And then ayan, nalinis na rin natin guys. And after nito guys, so lalagyan na natin ng sako. And then ilalagay yung foam, then yung primary cover ni ma'am. So okay guys, so linisin natin uli ito. Then after that guys, ipapasok na natin sa loob ng shop. Then yun, sa loob kasi ng shop guys, mini-maintain talaga natin yung kalinisan doon. So dapat talaga malinis yung sopa before natin ipasok. So okay guys, so after nito, check naman natin yung cover. So okay guys, so tara, let's go! Kulay niya guys is kulay khaki, no? Light khaki. Yan. Then yung brand po niya is yan, leather touch. So napakagandang leather po yan guys. So may pagka-rubberize yung dating niya. And then same, ayan po yung gagamitin nating foam. Uratex foam. Para mas tumibay at madagdagan ng lambot yung existing na foam ni ma'am sa sopa niya. And then same, meron na rin po tayo mga natapos. Ayan, ito po yung mga tatahin pa natin. So ayan, So ayan po yung natapos natin, no? So yung isang upuan, and then yung iba ayusin pa natin. So ayan yung naging design, guys, no? So ganda ng design. And then same, ang gagamitin nating makina, guys, is walking foot as usual. Sa pagtatahi ng leather, guys, mas mabilis gamitan ng walking foot compare dun sa high speed, no? Okay, guys, so tapusin natin to. And
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray